a daily math video. If you are doing your social studies work, that is fine, but if you are all caught up on your work, that is fine. But if you have work to do, the only person playing cool math games is the one in the back because he's caught up with all of his other work, okay? So I have up the problems that we did today in class. The first one was, help if I'm on pen. Still would help if I'm on a pen. 4,672 divided by 64. Okay, so what do you want to guess and check? 64 times what? Yeah. No, you can't write it. Sorry, you can tell me.
Okay. 7.
Okay.
So.
And you might have remembered from class, but a reason I would try 7 is because 6 goes into 46 about 7 times. So 4 times 7 is 28. 2 goes there. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 2 more is 44. I've done my guess and check. I'm going to move on to my multiplication. So I'm going to have to place my 7 over in the problem. 7 times 64 is 448. I've done my multiplication. The next step is subtraction. So my 7 is going to have to become a 17, and my 6 is going to be a 5. 17 minus 8 is 9, correct? And 5 minus 4 is 1. That's my subtraction. The next step is bring down. So I'm bringing down the 2. The next step is to repeat everything we've done. So now I have to guess 64 times what is going to get me to 192. What number do you think we're going to try?
Try 2 and then 3.
Try 2 first, and then you're also saying try 3. So 4 times 2 is
8.
8, and 6 times 2 is 12. And if I try 3, 4 times 3 is
12. So put the 2, put 1.
And 6 times 3 is 18 plus 1 is
9.
19. So would I want to use the 2 or the 3?
3.
The 3.
And
If that is my answer, but if I wanted to say, well, wait, and I multiply 3 times 64 is 192.
May I show my way?
Nope. We subtract and we get 0. Okay? Next problem was simplify 21 over 24. And this is where Ms. Van Buskirk says greatest common factor with a job. What is the greatest common factor of 21 and 24?
So it's okay if I use your multiplication chart? Okay, thank you.
So 21 and 24 have a common factor of what?
2. No, not 2, sorry.
Not 2.
I want to figure it out.
Well, if anybody else figures it out.
3.
3. Good job using the multiplication chart. What is 21 divided by 3?
21 divided by 7.
And what is 24 divided by 3?
8.
And that is my answer. 7/8.
Nice.
Okay? Thank you. They're cheering for me. The next one, everybody seemed to know this once they remembered that in elementary school they learned of means multiply. So 6/7 times 2/5. Who wants to tell me what to do here? Anybody want to tell me? What do I do?
So basically,
Oh, somebody just told me 6 times 2 is? What is 6 times 2?
12.
And what is 7 times 5?
30.
Okay? They do not have any common factors. That is my answer. Okay? Next one. 5/12 plus 3/4. This is where Ms. BB says least common multiple with a job. So one of the things she just said is 12 a multiple of 4?
Is
Four.
12 a multiple of 4?
Is 12
Yes.
a multiple of 4?
Yes.
Yes. What would you multiply 4 by
3.
to get 12?
Let me finish the question.
So I multiply by 3 on bottom. I'm going to multiply by 3 on top. What is 3 times 3?
9.
9.
Jeez, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So now I am adding my 5/12 plus my 9/12. 5 plus 9 is
14.
I can't count that fast.
so.
But I can multiplication.
I think it's easier to simplify this before turning it into an improper fraction, into a mixed number. I'm sorry, you can do it either way. But since they are both divisible by 2, what is 14 divided by 2?
14 divided by 2 is.
You can get this one.
Um, 2.
7.
14 divided by 2 is not 2. It is
Seven.
7.
I'm going to use
And what is 12 divided by 2?
12 divided by 2 is 6.
6. Now, I can turn 7/6 into a mixed number by saying 6 goes into 7 one time, and there is 1 remainder. So it is 1 whole and 1/6. Okay?
Jigs.
And then I think this next one is the last one. Yep.
I got you.
2 minus 3/5. So if
Oh,
you're
yeah,
looking at this one, 2. So is 2 and nothing the same as 2 and 0/5?
No.
It actually
Actually,
is
we
0/5.
Yes.
So you can't do that. So this is where same thing as we borrow and regroup with subtraction.
Hey, can I borrow
This-
an egg?
This 2 is going to become a 1. And then over here you have 5/5. So are you with me with how I broke this 2? I took one of the holes away and made it 5/5.
That makes sense,
How
though.
did you get 5 though?
So,
Only because it's fifths.
because
If it
that's-
was thirds, it would have been 3/3.
because we're
Oh.
copying the denominator. We're copying
Right.
the denominator to make our lives easier.
Right, exactly. So if this becomes 5/5,
You already wrote 5/5.
I know I wrote it there, so I want to see that it's over here. What is 5/5 minus 3/5?
5/5 minus 3/5. 2/5.
2/5. And this we had just like we do subtraction. When we break up with subtraction, that's what we're doing, right? This is a 1. So my answer is 1 2/5.
Okay.
Can I show you one other thing with this?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, my back.
Okay, so you might like this at home, you might not.
Okay.
I'm going to start with 2 whole things. I want to take away 3/5. Okay? So I could break this whole into 6. I could break it into fourths. I could break it into halves. I'm going to break it into fifths.
Because 3/5. So
Okay?
that's 2/5 right there.
Hold on. Watch
So-
this. You might like this.
It's one.
Are those fifths?
Yep.
No.
No.
Yes, those are fifths.
So hold on. Let me
Actually,
show you them.
Oh yeah.
It's
it is.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Four,
So
five.
that's 5/5 made one whole, right?
Yep.
Sorry, they're different colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's 1/5, right?
So they're 2 sets of 5/5.
Yes.
They're also 10/5, or they're 2 wholes. Watch. How many did I want to take away?
3. So
3.
that's
3. So watch this. This works really well on the board.
2.
I took away
Oops.
1, right?
Mhm.
I took away 2.
Yeah, I told you 2.
I took away 3. How much is left?
7.
1
fifths.
or 1
One whole
and
two
2
fifths.
fifths. Okay? Thank you for watching.